Hello, I'm Frankfurter. As you know, week after week since 1973, it's been BSW's honor selling products to broadcasters worldwide for the best possible prices and speedy, zippy delivery. How do we do it? Let's show you the magic.
Welcome to the fictitious BSW Sale Factory. This is where all the products that are put on sale are staged and, once ordered, are placed on high-speed conveyors.
The Henry Engineering 6-Mix 6-Channel Broadcast Console. 10 inputs and 6 channels for $5.95. Over $550 off. Now, back to the factory.
No other sale factory in the world uses such amazing technology. Here, a BSW-trained computer technician at work. Looks like he's adding that Wi-Fi that we've been hearing so much about. Great job, Billy. See? You turn the knobs and then BSW exclusive deals pop out. It's that easy. See, Billy?
Interested in podcasting or internet radio? BSW's Going Pro Kit Dual with PR40 microphones will have you broadcasting in style on the WWWs in no time. Only $12.69. Now, back to the factory.
At the BSW Sale Factory, workers are on double speed to route your emails and direct your calls to our happy sales representatives.
Introducing the BSW Orban Demo Program. Want to hear what the best processing in the business sounds like before you change lives with its amazing sound? Call BSW today and ask for a demo on Orban processing. Now back to the BSW Sale Factory.
Operating a sale factory requires exact timing and product planning to make sure the products you want to buy are priced low and ready for immediate shipment. On behalf of the entire BSW staff, thank you for watching, and don't forget to buy stuff.